to the Greenwood Parks and Recreation Monday, March 30th Facebook Live edition. Today we are doing do-it-yourself games with stuff that you can find around your house. I will be demonstrating tabletop skee ball here in a minute. Aaron's going to do tic-tac-toe, along with, we'll meet up for the ring toss. And our friend Heather's joining us today. She is going to be doing some Nerf gun shooting range. All this stuff is items that we found around our home, so you shouldn't have to go out and get anything. And at this time, we'll go ahead and do some tabletop skee ball. All we have here is some cardboard boxes that made our ramp. We have 2 laundry baskets, and we printed off our point system. So I'm going to go ahead and give this one a whirl. Takes me back to my days of the grand prize game with Bozo the Clown, so I'll see how I can do it here. Oof. All right, I got 50 points. So try to beat that at home.
Next we have our floor tic-tac-toe. We just used painter's tape and made our tic-tac-toe board. We just used 4 long pieces. You could use rulers or yardsticks to make your board as well. You need 10 paper plates, and we put the O's and the X's on 5 circles, with 5 O's for your O's and then 5 X's. Nick and I are going to play a game here on the floor. So this can be done anywhere. You can do it at the floor in a hotel if you guys are traveling, or anything like that.
Let's try this, get it in the center.
Sorry. Dang it.
Experience always wins. 14 years of playing tic-tac-toe in a before and after school program. It's paid off. All right, Heather, let's go over to you. You can explain what you got here.
All right, so here we've got some Nerf gun targets. As you can see, we've got some paper towel tubes and some toilet paper rolls for all of you that have those empty toilet paper rolls. We've got our balls balanced and a point value established. We're going to try and see how many we can shoot down with our Nerf gun. You can use whatever Nerf gun you got. I happen to have one that's got 6 bullets in it here, and my aim is terrible. But we'll try and, nope, none there. That's all right. I got another gun. Let's see if it works. No. Epic fail. That's all right. I got one more. Let's see about it. Yeah, these stink. But you can try at home and hopefully you'll get some points.
User.
Okay, then our last game is a ring toss, or a plate toss as I'm calling it. We just used 1 full plate, super glued, or used a hot glue gun here to tape one of the paper towel holders, and then colored 2 rings for my toss, and then Nick has a bingo dauber, polka dots. We're going to take turns tossing to see if anybody can hit the ring here. Oh, it's hard. Nobody won.
But anyways, once again, we'd like to thank you guys for joining us today. We'll be back the rest of the week with some more activities. Once again, make sure you like our new YouTube channel, Greenwood Parks and Recreation. And everyone have a great Monday. Thank you.